Good morning. My body literally won't let me sleep in anymore, and it's so frustrating. It's like, what is going on? I woke up at 6:30 today, and it's Saturday. This is like the biggest form of betrayal for me, honestly, because I don't sleep much, and I don't get much like rest. I guess I'll go make some coffee. Yeah, but I have to pee. Oh. Oh my god, no. So I watched the movie Fresh last night, which made me really fucking queasy, but it was so good and so well done. And I think I need to watch that Tommy Lee show now because Sebastian Stan, I'm a Stan. Yeah, I knew that was gonna be really bad as soon as I thought about that, so we'll ignore that. But it was really, really good, and I love those kind of like thriller, gruesome kind of movies where they're not like jump scare type things, but they are just like mildly disturbing. And those are my favorite kind of movies, and those are the ones that I want to be in. So that was like, if I could like pick a movie to be in right now, it would have been that one. It was very good. Very, very good. Anyway, what is a good movie that you've seen recently? Because I'm trying to watch more movies, and I bought, or not bought, but I downloaded the Letterboxd app where you can like track all the movies that you're gonna see and you have seen. And I'm like, I'm an actor and I have seen 12 movies in 2022. Like, that seems like a low number. So I need to get better at it. Also, there's a lot of classics that I've never seen. I always do that with my almond milk. I am seeing the Batman tonight. So yeah, I wanted to vlog today because I'm gonna have a sister day with my sis. And I kind of like doing these things where we just feel like we're on the phone all day and it's really fun. And I figure it's 7 in the fucking morning, so why not start now? I'm gonna journal a little bit. It's been a really busy week, so I'm gonna do that. I was like fully not wanting to work out today. I even texted my sister already that I wasn't gonna work out. And then I was like, I'm literally in workout clothes. Like, I should just do something. So I'm gonna do a dance workout. Oh, parents are in here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. I don't care if you feel stupid. I feel stupid too. Ready? I'm home, and my sister is making TikToks in the other room. I am going to get dressed for the day because we're gonna go walk around. It's really, really nice out. It's pretty hot, but we're gonna be gone from like now until after we see the Batman. So I want to get dressed and wear something that I can like stay warm in throughout the night. I'm thinking I'm gonna wear these low-rise black like business pantsuit. And then I thought, because we're seeing Batman and there's Catwoman in it, what if I put on this tiger printed top to go with like the cat family? And then I kind of want to layer this tank top underneath it. So we're gonna see how this looks. Layers are a must when you go to the movies. I just get so cold so easily. So these are the pants. I'm gonna swap out the white tank top that I'm wearing right now for this black one. Okay, so we have this so far. And I don't know, I was like feeling something printed might be cute. I don't know if this is too many layers. Am I pulling a Disney Channel right now? Maybe. I think it's okay. Put on my Nike Air Maxes when it gets colder. Little red jacket. I think this is my outfit. It's very comfortable. Whoa. I was not, come on in. I was not expecting you right there. If the door's closed, I want to come inside. This is it. I'm wearing this. She hates it. I don't like it. I feel like I'm losing your shape. I don't really care. Okay. About shape. Should I care about shape? Oh my god, this looks gorgeous. Good morning. Daylight savings just passed. So it's technically 7:40, but it's 8:40. So I guess that's like a little bit more acceptable than when I woke up yesterday. I wasn't expecting it though. Like I was really proud of myself when I woke up and I was like, it's past 8? I slept in past 8? But no. The Batman was amazing. And also we watched Fresh again last night because it was so good. But we both took edibles and I was basically falling asleep throughout watching Fresh again, but I had just seen it the night before, so no stress. Hi, can we please just get 2 large Diet Cokes?
2 large Diet Cokes?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. I know, the fact that we waited over 20 minutes for 2 Diet Cokes. Thank you so much. Give me. Old habits, they do be dying hard these days. Okay, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's now. That hits the spot though. Oops, sorry. Would you be watching my video if I didn't have a grocery haul? It's like a necessity. We went to Trader Joe's, obviously, and I wanted to share this like interesting snack that we found, which is a dried hibiscus. And it looks really, really freaking scary. It looks like something that would crawl into your ear when you're sleeping and like take over your brain. Am I wrong? It's got like prongs. I feel like I should have a trigger warning here. This is some sort of like phobia, is it not? But it's really good. My mom's 60th is this next week. So Nick and I are only going to be here for the next few days. So I didn't get a huge grocery run, but I will bring some of this stuff to my parents' house. But you know, we got spinach, we got this great pre-packaged arugula salad that's really good. Almond milk, of course. This is new, guys. These egg wraps. And I have had the competitor of this. I think it's called Caprini. And I've gotten them from Aldi. But they have them at Trader Joe's now. And they're really good, high in protein, and delicious to make like little sandwiches in. Mushrooms, frozen blueberries, prepackaged chicken, which are amazing for like on the go stuff in a rush. I'm gonna be making spaghetti squash tonight with turkey sauce. And then I got some more ingredients for dinner tonight, like pasta sauce, some pasta. We're gonna do spaghetti squash, spaghetti squash as well. And then just some Parmesan cheese. Let's do a taste test. Oh, and I made some like normal pasta too.